Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. You guessed it. We are going to try to spray something over this rust to make it neutralized so it doesn't rust anymore. So I was looking online on YouTube videos and stuff like that, and I came across a video and the guy said something about using phosphoric acid and hand sanitizer which has ethyl alcohol in it, 70%, with a little bit of water, blah blah blah. Anyway, as you can see, I got a little bit of acid left, and in the video the guy talks about 60% phosphoric acid and a dab of ethyl alcohol. Well, I kind of wished he would have used maybe a mixing cup with parts on it, you know, like 10 parts this, 10 parts that. But he kind of said 60%, a little bit of water, and a little bit of this alcohol. So anyway, I tried mixing kind of like he did, or said anyway, and I just couldn't get it. He showed a piece of metal that was black after he sprayed it on his rust, waited 24 hours, blah blah blah, and all I got was white residue. This is probably one batch, this is probably another batch. I just kept on mixing, you know, different little batches, and it just didn't seem to work out the way I wanted it to. So I kind of got frustrated with that, and I got back online and started reading reviews and looking at other products. And I came across a product called Black Star. It halts existing rust and prevents future corrosion with a durable protective barrier. No need for sandblasting, which is awesome, grinding or scraping. But they do recommend scraping or getting rid of the bubbly rust, you know, because water's still going to get in that. So they want it as smooth and crater free as possible. So I read the review, or there actually is no reviews on this. It is about $100 a gallon, and yeah, I kind of shied on that. I was a little bummed on that, but I'd rather spend the money to get the result I was looking for. So I bought it, and this is kind of what it looks like. So I tried it on my truck frame. So this is, well, I tried it on something else first before I did the frame to make sure it was going to do it. But the frame looked just like this. I got this truck from Montana, so it doesn't have the Minnesota rust. It's a pretty clean truck. It's all full of hail and beat to smithereens, but the truck turned out, or you know, it looks pretty sweet. There's no rot in it, so I don't care too much about the exterior. I was just worried about preserving the frame on it. So that's what it looks like. It's kind of a shady day today, so I'm not sure if you can see the frame. Yeah, there you go. Put a little light in there. I got my treble light. So basically it just turned the rusty looking frame into kind of like it kind of turned it black, you know. Hopefully it neutralized the rust like they said it was going to. So basically I sprayed it all over the frame. I brushed it on in a few spots, like on the edges here, on the sides of the frame was easy to brush. So I sprayed and then I brushed, and I missed some spots, but you can go back over it. So this is a good start. Put the truck on jack stands and laid underneath it. I did all the under stuff first, and then I came on the outside and did what I could do, but I'm pretty happy with the result. It's better than leaving it. and spending $100 on that is no problem if I can preserve the frame on this. These trucks, the frames rot out eventually, so I'm going to keep it power washed. We'll keep an eye on it. I mean, even if I have to do this once a year, that's okay, you know. I know it's not going to take care of it forever. So we'll see if the existing rust starts coming back through. But I'm actually going to go back over it again and get the spots I missed. I noticed I missed some stuff on an underside, you know, underneath a little bit, and some spots. But I'm not going to get that picky with it. I just wanted to slow most of it down. Yeah, it's kind of dark today. So yeah, hopefully you can see it, but it definitely darkened the metal. So I know it's doing something. Nah, it's not going to get around brackets like that and in between all that stuff. But I know it's doing something. It dried. It did exactly what the video said it was going to do. Or not the video, but what the bottle said it was going to do. So I just want to make a quick video on it. But one thing I definitely want to emphasize is they recommend power washing for prepping, degreasing, and making sure it's, you know, dry and everything before you do it. So you're going to want to let it sit for 3-4 days before you do anything. I used my paint suit, I used rubber gloves, I used a full face respirator like I use when I sandblast, so it had filters on it, and they don't recommend doing it in the wind, you know. Not that it's gonna hurt anything, but it could fly back on your face or whatever if you're squirting it. Yeah, you can squirt it in a spray bottle and then brush it. That's kind of what I did. So they either recommend brushing it on, you know, or spraying it on. So yeah, like I say, I just want to make a quick video on this. I'm super happy with this Black Star. I'll leave them a great review. Yeah, I didn't want to squirt oil on the frame and that kind of stuff. Maybe down the line, but working on the truck is going to get, you know, you're going to get all full of it. It's never going to dry. Like that waxy base stuff I see guys spraying on their frames, it's terrible to work on the truck after that. So trying to prevent doing that. We'll stick with the Black Star. We'll see what it does down the line. I don't think I have anything to lose by doing it. It's not hurting it. So hope you guys like the content here of the video. I thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting, and yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.